Did you know there's an AI business where you can earn a profit every time someone buys your product without ever touching inventory? AI is making it faster and easier than ever to create unique designs, automate the process, and sell custom products. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use AI to start AI-powered print-on-demand. One of the easiest ways to start a side hustle with no upfront inventory or shipping hassles. Welcome back to the AI Connection, the podcast where I dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Let's jump in. First, what is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand is a business model where you create designs, then you upload them to a platform like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify, and they handle printing, shipping, and fulfillment. AI is making this process even simpler. Let's see how. One of the biggest challenges of print-on-demand is creating eye-catching designs. But with AI, you don't need to be a professional designer. Here are 3 AI tools that can help. First are the tools Midjourney and Dolly. These image generators are great for generating unique AI artwork for t-shirts, mugs, posters, and phone cases. Second is Canva's AI Magic Design. Use this to easily create and customize designs with AI-generated templates. Third is Deep Dream Generator. This tool allows you to turn basic images into unique artistic creations. You can take these AI-generated images, tweak them in Canva or Photoshop, and upload them to print-on-demand platforms like Printful, Gelato, or Printify. So how do you find what will sell? Obviously, no one will be buying items that aren't popular. For your AI-powered print-on-demand business, you need to sell what is popular. The best way to sell more products? Follow trends. AI can help you find what's popular. First, use ChatGPT to generate a list of trending niches and slogans. Then you can try Everbee, a Chrome extension for Etsy, to analyze top-selling designs and get keyword insights. Finally, you can use Google Trends to identify what's hot in different categories. This way, you're not guessing. You're creating designs people actually want to buy. Now, AI doesn't just help with designs, it can automate store setup and marketing too. For example, Shopify AI tools can help you build a store quickly with product descriptions, SEO, and branding. Your tools, ChatGPT and Jasper AI, can generate compelling product descriptions and ad copy. For marketing, AdCreative.ai helps you create high-converting Facebook and Instagram ads automatically. And then, Hootsuite AI can schedule and optimize social media marketing posts for your brand. By using AI, you can focus on scaling your store instead of spending hours on marketing. Once you have your AI-powered designs and store running, how do you scale up? Here are 3 ways. First, upload designs to multiple platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, Teespring, and Amazon Merch to maximize reach. Second, outsource customer service using AI chatbots like ManyChat to automate responses. Finally, expand to AI-powered product personalization, allowing customers to customize their own items using AI-generated templates. The more you automate, the more passive income you generate. And that's how you can use AI to build a successful print-on-demand business. AI can help you create unique designs, find trending ideas, automate your store, and market your products effortlessly. Which AI tool are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on AI-powered side hustles. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.